everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. I'm Chelsea, and today we are doing a FabFitFun unboxing. This is just one of my very favorite and most fun videos to film. It's incredibly selfish. I like to open the box. I really do use all of these products. I love them. You will see them featured in Instagram stories and Instagram posts for the next year to come. If you are not following us currently on Instagram, please do. We are at the Fairy Tale family. So the first thing I want to address before kind of jumping into the video is that I understand right now that the world is a crazy place to be. I totally get that. We are out of school for 2 weeks in my district. Callie's preschool is currently closed. Things are different than the everyday life, but I'm really hoping that if you're here, it's because you are taking a break for yourself, that you're taking the next 10 to 15 minutes just to listen and enjoy something and get your mind off of what's happening in day-to-day life, and you're just here for fun. So that's kind of where I want your headspace to be. If you can at all achieve that, or just take these moments to do a little self-care for you. FabFitFun, what a lovely segue, is also how I tend to manage my self-care throughout the year. If you have not seen our most recent blog post on spring self-care, I'll link that below. There's a checklist to a freebie guide inside that I think is really helpful. I actually have it printed in my calendar, like it's an overlay on my actual calendar, so that every day I remind myself to do something, even if it's small, just for me. So that's my disclosure for you. One of the reasons why I'm so excited to film today's video is because it's kind of an anniversary for us here at the Fairy Tale family. About a year ago, I filmed our very first video ever for YouTube, which I never even thought we would have a YouTube channel. So to be in existence a year later, I guess, is a surprise for me, but it was a spring unboxing for FabFitFun. Now, I've undergone, I think, a lot of growth since that first video. You can tell that I'm uncomfortable being on camera then, whereas now I really enjoy making YouTube videos. I think it's one of my clearer ways that I'm able to connect with people. So I will link that above. It is super uncomfortable to go back and watch it for me, and I'm sure I'm gonna say that about myself a year from now. But we have upgraded some things, and while we have a ways to go, you know, we've become a little more profesh in the past year. So let's get into the actual unboxing and what is FabFitFun. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't been following us on Instagram or Facebook for any amount of time and you haven't seen my previous posts about FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription service, so it shows up at your house every 3 months or so to kind of celebrate the upcoming season. So it comes at the very cusp of the next season. You can purchase this annually or you can purchase it quarterly. I choose the quarterly option. For me, that is including tax, $53.11 a quarter. I am an affiliate for FabFitFun, and that only happened because of YouTube. So I've been paying for my boxes. I've never had a free box sent to me. But I do have a code, a discount code for 20% off and a link, and I'll make sure that those are below too. But the reason I have those is because after the first video went live and 3 to 5 people watched it, I started receiving messages in my DMs about, hey, I want to try FabFitFun. Do you have a discount code? You know, $50, is it really worth it? And I'm kind of a frugal fanny. I'm a recovering shopaholic. I'd like to say I'm fully recovered. I'm not. But I do weigh the cost of things that I purchase because I tend to like more expensive things. I weigh that against its value. So that's what I mean when I say I'm a frugal fanny. It doesn't mean I don't spend money. It means that what I'm spending my money on, I need to make sure it's worth it. Okay, so this is a $53 box. That's what it costs me. Every FabFitFun is over $200 in value. So I'll show you what I mean when we get into it, but this is totally worth it for me, and it is definitely how I handle my self-care. So if you're interested in trying it and you don't want to pay full price for the first box, I do have a 20% discount code in the description box below. Okay, the first thing I want to point out is how gorgeous the boxes are. So these are always done by like specific artists. They always have a theme. These butterflies for spring. And in the bottom corner it says, in support of Dress for Success. One of the reasons I love FabFitFun, we're just going to pause that thought for a moment. Can you please look at how beautiful this is? I love these colors. So one of the things I love most about FabFitFun is their charitable programs. So it is a box by women for women, and they tend to try to help female-based charities. So this winter box, I believe, was women's Alzheimer's support. I'll try to see if I can find it. But every box does come with like a little magazine, and I do read it. I read it more than just like flipping through for the value of things. I do read it. Let's see. Oh, okay, great. So on page 7, there's a little bit about this season's charitable organization of Dress for Success. And then it says down here, we're so proud to raise awareness and funds for charities and organizations season after season. Check out the impact we made for women's Alzheimer's movement in winter 2019. So as of January 2nd, 2020, they had fundraised $50,000 for this charity. And then in the next box, we'll find out how they worked with Dress for Success. So I really like that. You know, I think our money as consumers has a value beyond just what we're purchasing, and a lot of it has to do with the philanthropy and charitable giving. This, friends, is what you could have gotten in the box. So FabFitFun will come with standard items that everyone gets, and then you get to customize some of your own. They send out an email, and then you get to pick your add-ons. It's awesome, but it's always a surprise because I never remember what I ordered. So it also comes with like coupon codes for other companies. Let's dig in. I'm so excited. Okay. What's in here? So I'm just going to pluck things out, and I will tell you their value as based on the magazine. So the first thing I'm seeing is this super cute box of silicone straws. So this is 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and plastic case in full bloom collection. So look at those colors. So springy. This is really cute. From Chic and Tonic. Also love that name. Let's find out how much these little pups cost. 7A. So $15 for these. Super cute. Okay. The next thing in here is called AG from AG Hair Care. It's called Fast Food. This is a leave-on conditioner. So sometimes I'm really skeptical of leave-in or leave-on conditioners because they make your hair smell. I mean, they always make your hair smell awesome. They make your hair greasy. That smells so good. But my hair is super dry on the ends, especially after I put color in it. Let's see, 5A. So this is valued at $24. It has 6 ounces in it. I'll have to do a little research. I've never heard of this company before. But I think this could be really helpful for my like potential split ends. Give that a shot. Oh, don't want to stay up? That's fine. Okay, what's this? This is called, from This Works, I really like this company, Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So you're basically, it's nighttime lotion, but I imagine it's super thick. This I'm going to love because I am a dry puppy right now. Mama needs, oh, that's thick. Oh, and it smells like eucalyptus. I love that. So this, this is $40. This 3.3 ounce lotion. It's supposed to help your quality of sleep. Massage nightly into hands and body and breathe in deeply. The lavender in it is very calming. Well, I'm excited about that. Anything to help me sleep. Ooh, I love this product. I know I do. This is the thermal spring water for sensitive skin. So you can use this like a makeup setting spray, but you can also use this beauty all over your body. My sister actually said she just tried this and she put it on her C-section scar, and she said she wasn't sure if it was imagined or real, but it made her C-section scar less itchy and feel better. So this is $14. We'll see about this one, but I know that I like their cleansing water, so I would imagine that I would really like this soothing water for sensitive skin. I also have eczema on my elbows, and that's really hard. It feels really hard to get rid of in the wintertime, so I feel like between the sleeping lotion and then being able to take a little spritz of that on the old elbows, that could be really helpful too. Oh, I remember being super excited about this. This is the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment. Okay, so this is like infrared LED light. Sorry, a little loud down there. That helps you combat your wrinkles on your face, which I need so badly. Like, you can see them here and here. Hello. This is valued at $68. I'm sorry if you can hear Callie and Mark. They're like hovering outside the door for some unknown reason. They know I'm in here. But this is $68. I don't know how to use it, but I will find out. And when I do, I will take you with me. Maybe I'll do an Instagram TV or IGTV or IG Live using a wrinkle treatment. And maybe we can track our progress here through YouTube, right? Love that. Okay. Oh, she's heavy. What are we? Oh, right, I forgot. It's kind of like a little box for Christmas. So this is the gravity weighted sleep mask. Where are my scissors? Where are my scissors? This is from the company Gravity. This is like actually heavy. Like, look how heavy that is. You can open it. Oh, okay, so there's like a heavy weighted pouch inside with weighted beads for up to a pound of evenly distributed pressure is what it says. It is worth $40 and it's a light blocker and it's supposed to distribute weight on your pressure points. I don't want to get makeup on this. Oh yeah. This is going to be a problem because then everywhere we go, I'm going to need my 85-pound sleep mask in order to get through the night. Oh, I like that. It even feels good on my head. I might try to use that tonight. I've never actually slept with an eye mask. Like, I've always wanted to be that bougie girl who's like, oh, I need an eye mask. But I'm not. But I do require it to be pitch black, so maybe this will be helpful. I'm excited about that. Okay, what else? What else do we have in here? Oh, I saw these in my sister's kitchen. These are little tea towels. They're really cute too. They're like the perfect colors. Where are you? Stone Cold Fox tea towels. They're $40. $40 for tea towels. Should I use them? I don't. Look how cute they are. They're very like Mediterranean. These will go great in our super nautical house. Everything is white, gray, or navy blue. Those are really cute, but I don't want anybody to use them because they're $40. Cute. So see here, there's a balance. We have hair, we have earth with the straws, we have tea towels, we've got some beauty. I think I have one more thing in here. Oh yeah, I was excited about these too. So we are going to Olani and Disneyland in August. I will link our first video above about that because I wanted to be able to explain what Olani is, because there's a ton of misconceptions that Olani is like an extra theme park, and it's not. But when we were packing to go to Disney World this November, I was telling Mark, you know, I keep reading all about how amazing packing cubes are, and we don't have any. Well, now we do. So this is the CalPack set of packing cubes. It's a 3-piece set, so I assume this is the large. Oh, look how cute they are. So cute. And they're meshy on the back for breathing room. But there's a small, a medium, and a large in here. Where's the small guy? And they're just supposed to help you organize and pack. I love the coloring. I have away luggage that's like blush pink. So I thought these kind of like muted little buddies would be, like this one especially, would be so cute. This is awesome. These are really cute. Fits perfectly into luggage, drawers, tote bags, gyms, trunk space, and more. I would never think about putting these in my car. But that's smart. Okay, what else? Okay, let's see. These are $40. So, I mean, that's way over the $53 that I paid to receive this, including the magazine and the box, which I always try to repurpose somehow. But I just really can't say enough good things about FabFitFun. I really can't. Look at this little style section. They also have something that I don't use enough, but they have FabFitFun TV, where they have like videos of recipes, of working out, all of these awesome things that I never actually really go into. So I will definitely be sure to do that. There's like a yoga one, there's some fitness ones, there's flexible chef. Ooh, and here's a page on how to use that little guy, and then a page on sleep for all of the sleep items that came. I just think that they have nailed this service. So that is it for our FabFitFun unboxing. Thank you for being a part of this journey. It's so fun to get these products and then put them to the test. So follow us along on Instagram. Check out the discount code below and the blog post where I talk more about why I truly do love this company. And I'm gonna get to playing with some things. Like, I'm pretty excited here. So have a really just relaxing, lovely rest of your day. Come back soon. We're gonna have bonus content over the next couple of weeks while I'll be home. So I'll have more time to film. We have some St. Patrick's Day stuff coming out soon. So stay with us and take care of yourself and take care of the ones you love. Until next time, you guys, see you in the next video. Bye.